investigation. We've had our Sherlock Holmes cap on. I've been looking at this bit of rust that we found from the first video, just checking it out. The surface rust is fine, but this one a little bit more concerning. I knew it would be, as you can see here on the photograph. This is what we originally saw, this little crack or rust mark. So we stripped all the paint off, and this is what we found. We've got an hole that's rusted through from the inside, and it's on the non-drive side, because what tends to happen is you get a bit of moisture in there, and then when they're left leaning against the wall, that's the side that they tend to rust through on. So a couple of options. One is just to rebraze it, which I've actually had a dig, and the metal around it is solid, and I've had a strong light down the tube and had a look. There's nothing else coming through, no the rust, it's just that like a one spot. So you could rebraze it, yeah, it will work. It'd be a nice repair, but I think what I might do in this case is possibly strengthen it. So there's a couple of options. Is either put a sleeve of some bigger tubing over the top and rebraze to the bottom bracket, and the other one is maybe to put a piece of tube on an angle across there to give this some strength again, a slightly larger tube, and braze it onto the seat tube, the bottom bracket and the bottom tube here. So I'm going to have a think about that, decide which way to go, and like I said, we'll do a video on that when it shows the repair and what we've actually done to it. So as we said, we knew there'd be a bit of an issue with that, but we'll get it soon sorted out, and then we can get on with the build. So thanks for watching, YouTubers. Until next time, hit a very